I've got the latest update on the businessman, Singapore businessman, Mr. Ong Beng Seng, who was charged for giving gifts to the ex-transport minister of Singapore, as well as for obstruction of justice. If he is found guilty of both charges, he could be fined or jailed or both, a maximum jail of 2 years. Mr. Ong is 79 years old. His case has been postponed. He's still out on bail because he is sick. I understand that he has bone marrow cancer. So he's undergoing chemotherapy. So the court has decided, or rather his defense counsel have asked for postponement. And I think the next hearing, I don't know, maybe next month, March somewhere. But he has not, at his pre-trial conference, he has not plead guilty, nor he was willing to contest the case, the charges. I mentioned Mr. Ong because I have actually served him before on the flight. He was our first class passenger on quite a regular basis. And I felt so sad because Mr. Ong is a nice man, a billionaire who is so humble. You don't get rich people like him, so humble. And he brought himself down to our level to talk to us and even joke with us. And from the cabin crew perspective, he's really a humble and charismatic and nice passenger. It was a pleasure serving him, and jovial. And one night rather, he left his, of course he was in the first class, he left his seat or his bed, and he went to the toilet. And while he was away, my crew were busy. So I went to his bed and arranged his pillows and his blankets. And then all of a sudden, I looked behind me, it was Mr. Ong. He just came out from the toilet and he was flattered, knowing that I was a senior cabin crew on board and I don't have to do such. It wasn't even my duty to do it. My stewardess could have done it for him, but he was very grateful. He said, "Thank you very much." Well, I said, it's always a pleasure, Mr. Ong. Yeah, I always remember him for this incident, as well as him cracking some jokes with the crew near the galley. So I hope he will recover from his illness, and his court case, hopefully nothing will happen to him, or maybe just a fine. Thank you very much for watching my video.